So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, the city of Henderson? But you're not sure where in Henderson to buy. Well, then this video is for you. Because in this vlog, we're gonna discuss the community of Whitney Ranch. We're gonna take you through some neighborhoods and show you some different price points of homes so you can see what may fit within your budget. And I have a little spoiler alert. Your dollar goes a lot further here than other communities across the Las Vegas Valley. So let's get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. When you talk about residential communities in the city of Henderson, the likes of Green Valley, Seven Hills, Inspirada, Lake Las Vegas, McDonald Highlands, and more are usually the first communities that come to mind, and rightfully so. However, one community that typically flies below the radar is Whitney Ranch, quite possibly one of the most affordable and underrated neighborhoods in the city of Henderson. Known for its family-friendly atmosphere, convenient location, and an array of amenities, Whitney Ranch represents a significant aspect of Henderson's charm and appeal. The community was named after the Whitney family, early settlers in the area, and it emerged as a planned community in the late 1980s through the early 1990s. The development was part of Henderson's strategic growth to accommodate a rising population and the demand for suburban living spaces near Las Vegas. Bordered by Whitney Mesa Nature Preserve just east of here, and the bustling retail and dining hubs of Henderson west of here, this placement offers residents a blend of natural beauty and urban convenience. The community is also just 10 to 15 minute drive to the Las Vegas Strip, making it an attractive option for those who work in Las Vegas but prefer a quieter residential area. Whitney Ranch is surrounded by several parks and recreational facilities, including the one right over here beyond my shoulder called Whitney Ranch Recreation Center, one of the most popular in all of the city of Henderson. This 41,000 square foot facility offers a gymnasium, fitness center, dance studio, racquetball courts, and an adjacent aquatic center located right over here with multiple pools, water slides that you maybe see kids going down as I speak, as we're filming this vlog right in the middle of summer. So this place is absolutely hopping. There's also numerous classes and programs for residents of all ages, including an after-school program for kids. Then also on the other side of the aquatic center is the Whitney Mesa Tennis Complex, offering 14 pickleball courts. You got 4 indoors and then you got 10 outdoors, along with 9 tennis courts and a full service pro shop. Then over here on the other side of the recreation center, there's the Whitney Mesa BMX track and is home to Olympic gold medalist Connor Fields. This is a USA BMX sanctioned track requiring USA BMX valid membership to be able to ride. And for those of you not familiar with BMX, that is biking. It's also considered the #1 track in the state. Then you also have White School Park, Stephanie Lynn Craig Park, Russell Road Recreational Complex, Arroyo Grande Sports Complex, and Railroad Lake at Cornerstone Park, all within a 5-minute drive of this community. I can assure you, you will never run out of recreational options for the whole family if you choose to live here in Whitney Ranch. There's also a variety of housing options in this community, from single-family homes to townhomes and condos. The architecture reflects a mix of modern and traditional styles, catering to different tastes and budgets. Homes in Whitney Ranch are known for their spacious layouts, quality construction, and aesthetic appeal. So, without further ado, let's go visit a few neighborhoods to see what is available. Our first stop in Whitney Ranch is in a subdivision of Cimarron, which is centrally located within the community. We're on a nice, quiet cul-de-sac that you may be able to see here behind me, which means less traffic and noise. The home listed here behind me is for $499,999 and is 1,943 square feet, which comes out to $257 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 1989. You know, upon entering this home, you are greeted with vaulted ceilings that stretch over the spacious living and dining rooms. There's also one of 4 bedrooms is located downstairs with a full bathroom, which is perfect for a home office or a guest room for those visiting friends and family that may happen to quite frequently visit if you decide to call Las Vegas home. And I'm speaking from experience. I have family and friends come here all the time. You know, the updated kitchen features new white cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a small center island. The open family and great room is located right off of the kitchen, which is a great layout for entertaining. Then there's a large primary suite that is located upstairs along with 2 more secondary bedrooms. The low maintenance backyard features a covered patio, turf grass, and even a storage shed. One other valuable feature to this home is the solar panels that you probably see here on the roof over my shoulder. It is completely paid off, which provides substantial savings on your electric bill, especially during the hot summer months. Overall, this home is in really good condition. This specific subdivision and Whitney Ranch in general is conveniently located to a lot of fantastic shops and dining options. In fact, the Galleria Mall is literally located right behind these homes across the street that you may be able to see over here. The traditional indoor mall features a wide array of stores, from national chains to local boutiques. And then right next door to the mall are other major retailers like Home Depot, a Walmart Supercenter, Target, Costco, Best Buy, and more. Additionally, smaller shopping centers throughout the Whitney Ranch area also offer everyday conveniences such as grocery stores, pharmacies, and specialty shops. Everything you need on a daily basis, and then some, is a stone's throw away from this community. You know, one other key attraction down the street from here as well is Sunset Station Hotel and Casino. The Spanish Mediterranean themed hotel features affordable rooms, dining, gaming, a movie theater, bowling alley, and regularly scheduled concerts and shows. There's a lot to do all under one roof. I also wanted to point out that we are located very close to the 11 freeway, which is formerly known as the 515 freeway, and there's also the 215 Beltway, making commuting to Las Vegas and other parts of the valley pretty straightforward and efficient. So let's go take a drive around this Cimarron subdivision to get a feel for it. Our next stop is located in the Candle Creek subdivision. And what's great about the location of this particular street is that there's a park right behind these homes over here. So there's no neighbors directly behind you, providing more privacy. And like the first house we just visited, we're also located on a cul-de-sac at the end of the street over here as well. So you have the best of both worlds, extra seclusion and less traffic. This home here listed behind me is for $669,000 and it's 3,029 square feet, which comes out to $231 per square foot. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 1990. This fully remodeled home offers 2 separate family rooms with an electric fireplace and built-in shelving, along with a fully equipped wet bar, an open kitchen with a breakfast bar, waterfall island, quartz countertops, new 2-tone custom cabinets, stainless steel appliances, new wood looking like tile flooring, and dual pane windows. And then upstairs, the primary bedroom features an accent wall, a custom electric fireplace, a walk-in closet, while the spa-like bathroom features dual sinks, a very large 3-shower head shower, and a standalone soaking tub. The backyard includes a sparkling pool and spa with lots of decking for additional outdoor furniture. This home definitely doesn't have the look and feel of a home over 30 years old. As a listing agent put it, welcome to your entertainer's haven. Whitney Ranch is renowned for its family-oriented environment, with all the parks and rec centers that we discussed earlier. As well, the streets are lined with mature trees, and the community is designed to be walkable and safe, which appeals to families seeking a tranquil living experience. In addition, the community regularly hosts events and festivals that brings residents together and celebrate the local culture. Annual events like the Whitney Ranch Spring Carnival and the 4th of July celebration are popular among residents and feature activities such as live music, food vendors, and family-friendly entertainment. These events really help enhance the sense of community and provide opportunities for socializing and networking with your neighbors. So, let's go take a drive around this wonderful subdivision of Candle Creek. Our last stop in touring homes in Whitney Ranch is in the newest part of the community called Whitney Mesa Estates. This house here listed behind me is for $725,000 and is on a nice corner lot with some absolutely spectacular rock formations that you can see right over here beyond my shoulder. This house is 3,181 square feet, which comes out to a really good value of $228 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2015. This immaculate home has been freshly painted on the exterior, boasting its curb appeal. The open floor plan provides a large dining area and great room right off of the gourmet kitchen, which features granite countertops, a peninsula island, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and upgraded cabinets. There's also a junior suite on the first floor, which again provides that flexibility for your lifestyle needs. And then upstairs, there's a large loft offering endless possibilities for entertainment, work, or play. The primary suite includes a private balcony with breathtaking views of the surrounding mesas, while the backyard has room for an RV with a gate over here on the side of the house. It also has covered patio, real grass, and some mature shrubs and trees. And as with the previous home we just visited, there's also owned solar panels, reducing energy costs. This home offers a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. In an effort to always give you the pros and the cons of every community, I did want to point out a potential downside to living here in Whitney Ranch, and that is with the airport only being 10 to 15 minutes away, we're partly in the flight path here of Whitney Ranch from those planes landing at Reed International. It's not that loud, but again, if you're sensitive to that kind of noise, it's something that you may want to keep in mind if you consider living here in Whitney Ranch. I also wanted to highlight the educational options in and around this community that are plentiful. The Clark County schools include Treem Elementary, Francis Middle School, and Green Valley High School. In addition to these public schools, Whitney Ranch is also close to several private and charter schools, highlighted by Coral Academy of Science Las Vegas, the Eastgate campus, which is a K-5 school, And then you have Green Valley Christian School, a K through 12 school. So you definitely have multiple options as to what school may best suit your child's needs. So let's take a drive around Whitney Mesa Estates to see what you think about it. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview on one of the most underrated communities in all of the city of Henderson. Whether you're a family looking for a safe and nurturing environment, or a professional looking for close proximity to Las Vegas, or someone who values outdoor recreation and community involvement, Whitney Ranch offers something for absolutely everyone. I hope you enjoyed it and found this video beneficial. So please like and share this video. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on Las Vegas and the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel Whitney Ranch checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right Henderson community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assist in getting your offer accepted on your ideal home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Henderson. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.